In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Coinbase application like you normally would. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the main home screen like so, and then press on this option that says buy and sell. Then go ahead and select on the option that says buy. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to look for XRP, and we have it right over here, or you can go to the search bar and type in XRP and you should be able to find it from there as well. But anyways guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it like so. And then from here, you can go ahead and enter in the amount of XRP that you would like to purchase. So for this video, I'm just going to be purchasing $1 worth of XRP, but obviously you can go ahead and put in more, but I'm just doing it for the tutorial. And then it is going to go ahead and tell you what payment method it is actually going to utilize to make this transaction. So before you even do this, make sure that you do have a payment method connected to Coinbase, which you should already have if you made a Coinbase account. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on review order. And then it is going to verify everything once again. So just make sure that everything is correct. And once you're done with that, go ahead and press on buy now. And there you go. We have now gotten our order submitted. And within like 10 seconds or so, by refreshing the page, we should now be able to see our XRP. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.